Hello my dear wonderful peoples, and welcome back to my new video. Here in this video we are continuing our decision making structures with an example of switch case statement. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here is our source file. Okay, so let me just remove it first. Okay, so in here we are going to discuss an example of the switch case statement to print the name of the days of the week. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here I'm going to write in the comment what program to print names of days. Okay, so in here start with the header file. Okay, now the void main function, and now put here braces. Okay, and now declare here a variable of your choice. I'm declaring here int ch, that is stand for the choice, and we will be taking input through the user. So use here print statement and this kind of statement. Okay, now we'll use the switch statement. Okay, and inside the bracket give the variable which you have declared above, and now give here braces, and now we have to give the cases. Okay, now we will give cases here. So case 1, give here the print statement. Okay, so here we will start with the Sunday, and as I told you in the last video, you have to use break statement after every case so that it will not continue printing other statement after the case 1. Okay, so now here go for the case 2. Okay, again give the print statement, and in here after Sunday come on Monday, and again use a break statement. Okay, now come to the case 3, again use print statement. Okay, now here Tuesday, and again break statement. Okay, now let me just complete it fastly. Okay, okay, so we have completed all the names of the days, and at the last we have to use the default statement. Okay, and with the default I'm giving here a print statement and valid input. Okay, and it is not mandatory to use the numbers of the case continuously. You can skip also. Okay, like here you can give case 8 here, so if the input is 8 then this part will be executed. Okay, so you can give any of the number here, so but I'm writing here in the continuous manner. Okay, so now let me just run the program. Okay, oops, there is an error. Okay, here we have to put the semicolon, not the colon. Okay, okay, now let me just run this again. Okay, here we have to give our choice, and let me give it 1 first, so it must print Sunday. Okay, you can see Sunday is printed here. Okay, now let me run again. Let me give here 7. Okay, okay, Saturday is printed. Our program is running very well. Okay, now last one. So in here give the input which is not included in our cases. Okay, so in here I'm giving 9. Okay, okay, and hit enter. Okay, as you can see invalid input is printed here. That means our program is running very well and very efficiently. Okay, so this is the way you can use the switch case. There are many examples of the switch case statement. Okay, and if you want me to make the video on those examples, you can tell me in the comment section. Okay, and this is all what I want to tell you in this video, and now from the next video we will be learning the loops of C programming language. Okay, This is Shoaib signing off, and I will catch you in the next video.